Hello students, what we see in picture is this is moon. So today we are going to learn in English subject 2.5 the silver house. Okay. Do you know the phases of moon? It we call also lunar phases. You can see the new moon, crescent moon, half moon, and full moon. Okay, so let's start. Read the first stanza. There's a silver house in the lovely sky, as round as a silver crown. It takes 2 weeks to build it up and two to pull it down. Okay, so let's get information about this stanza. There's a silver house. What is a silver house? Uh, silver house means the moon. Okay, there's a silver house. Where is silver house? In the lovely sky. Okay. Uh, how is it? Is it as round as a silver crown? The moon compared to the silver crown, you can see the silver crown. Crown means a silver coin. You can see the coin. We use 10 rupee coin, but this is not our. This is silver coin that was used in England in the past. Okay. It takes 2 weeks to build it up. We discussed earlier the phases of moon. It takes two phase. You know that from new moon to full moon it takes 2 weeks, and that we call build it up, and two to pull it down. Pull it down means full moon, from full moon to new moon. That also takes 2 weeks. Okay. So see the next stanza. There's a man who lives in the silver house in lonely sort of way, but what his name is no one knows or no one likes to say. And poet says that there live someone who live in silver house. There is a man. Okay, and how he live? He live in a lonely sort of way. And do you know the name of that man? No. But what his name is, no one knows. And also, no one likes to say also. Okay. So, see the next stanza. And when you go to bed tonight, just draw the window blind and peep out at the silver moon, this lonely man to find. Okay, so poet tells us that when you go to bed tonight, when you sleep, we sleep at night. Okay, so when you go to bed tonight, that time poet what to do say suggest us to draw the window blind. Window blind means a protective covering for the window. We use the curtain to cover our window, or the protective that we call grill, like that. So that cover means we use a curtain. Um, we protective cover for window. A window blind keeps to we remove that curtain and watch the moon for what, for the peep out at the silver moon for find this lovely man. Okay, so see the last stanza. But it but if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, then go to bed, because of course the poor man won't be there. John Lee. So see the last stanza. But his house is taken down. Taken down means we see earlier from full moon to new moon. When this phase comes, new moon, we don't see the moon also. And if we don't see the house, the man you can see. Can you see? No. So this concept try to convey by the poet. Okay, but if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, all the sky is bare means there is no moon we can see. Then go to bed because of course the poor man won't be there. Okay, so if there is no house, then how the man we can see. So this is the end of our poem. You can see the photo of poet John Lee, and try to answer this question: who live in the silver moon? The man. Okay. How long does it takes to build it and to pull it down? 2 weeks. What is the name of the man who live in the silver house? No one knows. Uh, who is the poet of the poem? John Lee. Describe the house in the sky. You use your own language. Okay. Thank you.